For this gun technique, the attacker will have the weapon pointing towards our chest with the hand extending out from his side. We start out first with raising your hand for its resting position. Once we're here, we're going to move the body towards your left. As you do so, take your left hand and push the weapon down towards the right. So traveling opposite direction, come up for a strike to the face. From here, come down, grab. We'll take the weapon and strip it inward, then come out. So let's look at that again. We're here, 1, 2, and 3, and stay at a safe distance. So let's look at that stripping of the weapon from a close angle and at a slower pace. Once you remove your body out of the way, the top hand, my left hand in this case, control the weapon itself. My bottom hand comes up underneath and jamming his wrist or his bottom part of his fist upward. Now my left hand will rotate inward, my right hand will assist and come out. So let's look at that again. 1, 2, counterclockwise rotation, pull, and then step out.